Wagwan people.
Woyoy!
You know what time it is?
Yeah?
Yeah, we're in the kitchen again in a different environment. Ben, have a look.
Yo, seaside again.
Pick up yourself, Ember.
Don't know family.
Yeah, man. I was Turkey.
It was wicked.
Wicked.
New teeth.
All right.
Yeah.
People, today we are flying fish almost in the sea. We're not in the sea today, but we're almost in
Fish
the
are
sea.
fly. This time we're at the seaside, but the fish them are fly out the sea. You know?
Yeah, man. Mad thing, people. Ben, Wagwan, you good?
I'm all good, man.
Yeah, man. We're there, people.
So you see today's cooking method is magic. Yeah? No pot, no nothing like that. Fire and magic.
All right.
Ringo, right? He is gonna make the fish fly in the air with his special magic powers, right? And we're gonna light the fire to cook it. So it's a mad thing, yeah? It's the tag team, Ringo Vision and M.R. Yeah, you know the thing. Jump over to my channel real quick, because there's bare things. I've got bare things going on in Turkey and all sorts. You get me? But it's 24-hour kitchen and it ain't 12.
Wagwan, I'm ready. Wagwan people, you know what time it is. Yeah, man, I Ringo Vision. So you know what it is, people. Yeah, I travel down to Sheerness today. Yeah, it's a different vibes. Car, I fly some fish today, you know, Ben. Yeah, man, in the sky. Yeah, man, in the sky, man, I fly some fish. Big up everybody that's been locked into the Ringo Vision 24-hour kitchen. Yeah, remember cooking meal for a subscriber. Yeah, that's coming up very soon. Somebody donated some money into the Ringo Vision 24-hour kitchen account. Respect, thank you very much for that as well, people. Yeah, enough love and respect, people. Yeah, I love every single support, all the comments. Don't forget to like, comment and share it. You see, we're in the premiere right now, people. Yeah, I just want you to repost the premiere right now, people. Yeah, big up yourself, come on. There, we're outside. You see it, Ben? Yeah, man, a mad thing I go on today.
Them there.
I dog them down. How are this? Hold on to a second. We're out, wait. Outside. Wait. We're outside. We're outside, look. Outside, look. Yeah. You see that? Chill out with them.
Big boy.
Have to chill out with them. Yeah. Cause we was just at Melmania, yeah. Before Melmania, I would go next to the dog, but you see now, yeah.
Wait, you see after the event then?
Yeah, after the event, them, man, I know that I'm a good boy, them. You see it?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, he's a good one, guys. Look, he just wants his bone.
Yeah, he wants his bone.
Yeah, he's involved. That's the first time he's been cool ever since he's been out. Blood.
Telling you, bare fun.
He's good now.
Yeah, man.
So Ringo, tell the people them, you know, car fish are fly. So what the fish them seasoned with?
The fish them seasoning with. You bring back some seasoning from Turkey.
Yeah.
And we get some next season where we use like all purpose. We use some natural all-purpose seasoning. We use the seasoning that M. brought back for us.
Yeah,
a good vibes. Yeah, man, a good vibes.
Paprika in one of them.
Paprika, black pepper.
Yeah.
And you know, so the seasoning them have the what do you call them? The pimento seed and them things in there. Yeah, man. I walk across the seaside and them the car. Yeah. The thing I pop. Yeah, man. The fish them up there. Yeah, I rock it a bus and them that. Yeah, man. Junior, you find any oyster? You get any oyster, Junior? You see what I want? Whoa. Yeah, I want to see if I can get oyster.
They're everywhere, bro.
Yeah. I just pearl, man, I get. Yeah. Look out here. Yes, people, I hope you're enjoying season 3 right now. I told you that it's gonna be something different. We're outside. You see it, so you can see we're really outside, people. And we're on the seashore right now. Yeah. There was oyster in there, you know, and it come out, you know, mud. Look, way up there. You can see a fire blaze. Mad. Could have got some mussels for the seafood boil just now.
I said, well, you can eat these, you know.
How about this?
Fish now.
No, but me no want none of them sitting in the feet, but we could. Hi!
Oyster.
Woo! Show me the oyster.
You need these.
Is there something in it?
No. It's not a joke, look. See the mussel there? Yeah, they like cling to rocks, Ben. So it's like, big one, that was a big one. See, look, I don't know if there's another one here, look. No, that's just shell. But what they do is they like just cling to a rock. So it's just to find the rock. When you lift up the rock, there's like usually like a cluster of them. Do you know what I mean? Yeah. Full of mud. I thought it was full up there now. It's full of mud.
I fly sitting in my fly. How we make things fly out here in the earth? Yeah, man.
Oi, oi! Yeah, man, I'm matching people, man, and flying fish. Ringo vision, man, 24-hour kitchen.
See the people will cleanse the pebbles them with the heat of the fire, you know, and make sure it cleanse. And you see what I go on here now, people? Yeah, man. We are roast some fish pan the fire, people. Yeah, instantly. Yeah, man. Roast fish. Real yard style roast fish. Out of door Palm Beach. Now until you say I don't know joke thing out here, people. A real roast fish, man. I roast some fish out here.
Sure, man, sure.
Yeah.
You think I'm chatting to people? We're outside, man. Well on there. Well on there, my GG. Yeah? Fresh. Ringo, you think I joke, fam? Right now, man? Yeah. So with this now, people, get rid of the little seawater. This is how we do it, seaside, Ringo Vision. It's 24-hour kitchen. Yeah, you're done now. Make sure you go over to the channel Cook and Vibe and subscribe. So just pull it apart from the actual thing, yeah? That goes back in there. Just gonna put a little bit water, clean that off like that, yeah? Another little bit of water goes in like that, right? Little bit of seasoning, so you know how the thing go, yeah?
We was planting, yeah, we was up now.
Left that to roast there, people. Couple minutes, and that'll be done, you see me?
See the people, you don't know, say fish them done
Flying.
Done.
Soon as what happened is, as soon as they're cooked, they just drop. Oh, respect. Look at that, people. So,
as soon as they cook, then drop.
yeah, then drop. So, respect. Yo, me I tell you, see when you fish flying, they cook. 10-10.
Yeah, man, when them fly, and a normal thing when them touch ground.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, so, you never seen it before.
No,
They've never seen it before.
never seen it before.
So, it don't know a quick episode, but they've never seen it before.
No, flying fish.
I'm not thinking of Ringo.
Bless up everyone, respect, yeah. Thank you for staying tuned with this episode. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, people, yeah. I got something over there on the fire. Look, Ben, we're gonna start the next episode straight away. See that, people? We've got something else coming right on the beach side right now. Straight away.
I'm not thinking, yo, the fish good in the weather.
Yeah.
Oh, we are mix and blend with the seasoning today. You know how it works, people. Yeah? Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and share. Make sure you go over to Cook and Vibe. Subscribe to my channel. It's me, Ringo Vision, M.R. Woyoy.